Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gamma website. Gamma is an innovative, AI-powered tool designed to help you create stunning presentations, documents, and even websites with remarkable ease. It's perfect for transforming your ideas into polished content without needing any prior design experience. To begin your journey, simply sign up for a free account using your email address or your existing Google account. It's a straightforward process that gets you started in moments. Once you are logged in, you have 3 flexible options to start creating your content. You can choose to generate a new project with AI by providing a simple, one-line prompt, which will quickly build an initial outline and content for you. Alternatively, you can paste in existing text from your notes or drafts, or even import a file or URL. This allows Gamma to transform your current documents or web pages into a beautifully formatted new creation. After generating your initial content, Gamma offers extensive customization options to make your presentation truly shine. You can easily choose from a variety of themes, select different fonts, and apply custom color palettes to match your brand or personal style. Adjust the text density, specify image types, and refine the overall layout to achieve a polished, professional appearance. You can also enrich your content by incorporating interactive elements, such as images, videos, and clickable buttons. Once your presentation is complete, sharing and collaboration are seamless. You can easily share your Gamma creations by simply sending a link, providing instant access to your audience. For team projects, Gamma supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to comment, edit, and review content together efficiently. If you need to present offline or use other software, you can export your presentations as PDF or PowerPoint files with just one click, ensuring your work is always accessible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.